Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to claim your Polyhedra network token for those of you that got the airdrop from 20 below. So now you can claim your Polyhedra network token under the BNB chain. So for you to start, guys, this is what you need to do. So you need to visit their official website, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video, or you can visit polyhedra.foundation/airdrop. So after that, guys, it's going to bring you to this page. So you can copy the link at the description of this video if you want. It's going to bring you to this page. Now what you need to do is to click on agree to terms. So now what you need to do after visiting the site is to click on connect wallet. And looking on the screen, as a time of making this video, we have 27 days 11 hours to go before the claim page is going to end. So make sure to claim this as quick as possible. So this is mainly for those of you that got 20 Polyhedra token below, so 2010 token. Make sure to claim this as quick as possible. So now you can claim it under the BNB chain. So now you need to click on connect wallet, select your preferred EVM wallet. I'm going to select MetaMask. Alright guys, so I've already connected it to my MetaMask wallet already. So now I'm going to select BNB chain. Right, so I'm going to select BNB. Alright guys, so I'm going to select BNB. Alright guys, so I've selected BNB chain. I click on additional airdrop. Alright guys, now what you need to do is to click claim. Okay, so you can see users receiving less than 20 ZK from airdrop on Ethereum that have not been claimed will be given additional 10% compensation on BNB chain. So I got 10% for leaving this. So now I just need to click on claim. Then your MetaMask wallet or your preferred EVM wallet is going to open for you to confirm the transaction. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to click on confirm. So as I time on making this video, they are going to charge me 0.0002593, which is approximately $0.14 at the time of making this video. That is, you need below $1 for you to claim this token. So now you click on confirm. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, you have received 22 ZK on BNB chain. So you click on confirm now. Alright guys, so you have just claimed this token. Alright, so let's look for the contract address. I'm going to drop you at the description of this video. In case you cannot copy the contract address, you can visit coinmarketcap.com. so what you need to do is to search for Polyhedra here, then click on it. It's going to bring you here. Alright guys, so now what you need to do is to bring it to contracts. You click more, then you select the contract address that is under the BNB Smart Chain. So copy it. Now what you need to do is to open your preferred EVM wallet, like your MetaMask wallet. Alright guys, it's going to open. Now what you need to do is to click on import token, click on custom token. Now you paste the address here. Alright, now what you need to do is to wait for it to process. You're going to see ZK18, then you click next, then you click import. Alright guys, so looking on the screen, I just imported my ZK token. You can see 22 ZK token. Alright guys, so this is how you can claim your ZK allocation under the BNB Smart Chain as a time of making this video. So guys, please make sure to do this as quick as possible, because at the time of making this video we have 27 days left for you to claim it. So in case you did not claim it, you are going to burn your token and you are going to miss out on this. So at the time of making this video, also 1 ZK token is worth $1.2, and the crypto market in general is massively down. So Bitcoin is trading below $5k at the time of making this video. So guys, I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and many more grains to your wallet.